Hello guys, now I'm here again. Hello guys, I'm here again to do this shit all over again. Yeah, now this is my trading plan. This is the trade that changed my life, man. Now it's just proved that I'm a better trader, but we are working on it. Okay, so excuse me if I have what setup. Yeah, man, I'm just looking if everything is working, and you guys can see me later. Okay, so let's do this. This is a trade that I took on I think on Thursday, but we'll get to find out right now. Yeah, it was so good. I just feel happy that you guys are here. I'm just so happy, man. We are back, and let's see what this looks like. So yeah, fuck, man, I'm just logging into my live account live, and you guys are here. What the damn, man. So I feel honored that you guys are here, but I just want to show you something, man. I want to show you this bang trade, man. This man, this V setup, man, was a killer hit. This, I took the trade on 15th, yeah, July 15th. Today is July 20th, so minus 5 days. I want to see my calendar. Don't know if I even have a calendar, man. Yeah, so month viewer, what fuck. What the fuck is happening, man? Can't I just look at it? What? So on the 15th, it was on a Tuesday. God damn, I took this trade on a Tuesday, and today we are on a Sunday, just doing market recap and a lot of things. Okay, so I took this trade on the 15th and I closed it on the 17th. 3 days of holding it, 2 days of holding the trade, and it was a banger. So yeah, my what, yes, so I don't know where the history is, but yeah, now this is it. You see. Now I've been on a winning streak of late, from date 16, 15, what, all these days, then losing streak, then winning streak, then losing streak, just normal trading. So these trades are massive, man, and I'm officially out of gold, man. I'm officially not holding any trades of gold, ever putting any gold trades ever, and I mean ever again, ever. No way am I going to trade gold ever again, my guys. Never going to trade gold ever. Okay, fuck gold. Never going to trade that shit. So I know it's quite crazy, man. So for you who don't know, let's do a market recap. Let's do just a market recap. Now you guys know this week has been volatile, and I am saying that out of the kindness of my heart, yeah? Because a lot has been going on, a lot. So I mean, last week, this is why people what's happened? Just need a moment. Yeah, this week, last week, 20 to 26, and this week had CPI on it, my guys. CPI, and CPI was not the best. Now, how did I trade on this trade on a fucking Tuesday and held it all to here, my friend, all to Thursday, and it was crazy, my guys. So I just needed to show you this shit, and I did not trade this shit. Of course, I did not trade this shit because I was expecting buy side and sell side liquidity one to be taken, then one will go for the other. So when sell side took and I had SMT, expected it to come back to this, but I did not trade this neither. So, and on Friday, so you guys know, we are doing this shit more and more often, and I'm starting to be more of a trader, let's say, more of a trader. So this is NQ. I took this short and then I took this bar. That's the power of trading, my nigga. I had this short. This is 1 to 9 hour, some sort of shit, because this liquidity had been taken out. This is week 1 and week 2. So week 1 of the month, this is week 1 of the month, and it had been swept by this liquidity. So there was a 70 divergence between that NQ and this is SMP. Yeah, SMP from the lower low. So this shit just had to melt, and I was holding this and it was okay, an okay trade. So this is why we are still bearish. Yeah, this is what we call an SMT divergence between NQ and YM, that is Dow Jones. For those that know about the Dow Jones, yeah. So this was the massive trade. It came, it hit here. This was SMT divergence. Buy side liquidity has not been taken yet on NQ. So if anyone knows this shit, please understand this. SMT divergence between these two, we expect buy side liquidity to be taken out in AYN, but because of that, this is where the bullish setup came. It was an SMT divergence between this and this, and this trade, this retracement was to form this SMT. So this nullified the first SMT, this SMT. Okay, we are both bullish because these took at lower low and formed SMT divergence. This was the real SMT divergence, and trading can be that simple. Once I saw this, yeah, so this was on the 15th, something of the 15th, yeah, and then when it formed officially, on the 16th, this divergence, I was buying, man. I was buying. This was the place I was buying. This SMT, and also there was an SMT divergence here, smaller scale, whole smaller time frame SMT divergence. I know I'm being technical, but this week expect this YM. It is on a key new week opening gap, man. So if I'm going to take any trades, my nigga, my friends, this is all just an a retracement. It's going to pump, and I was supposed to hold this trade, this NQ trade to somewhere, I don't know, but I was supposed to hold it for about 2 weeks, 1 week, because this is a high time frame SMT until here, somewhere here. But we have got a banger trade, my friend. This is what we call a banger trade, where people don't know the impact this has on your trading. This has a very big impact on what you're doing and what you have been doing. And you can verify all these stops, man. Look at this, man. These are all losing trades from gold, then comes to little Euro USD. But this week was pretty nice, I can say. And then the correlation, I both traded nasdaq and S&P 500 at the same time. So what I want to trade this week is this buy, man. This buy. This is what we call a breaker, a change in state of delivery of the price. It has come from a low point where I should have bought on the 16th here, to here, but this sets the pace. Now this will have to be invalidated. This SMT divergence, all of this is sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity. So that is for NQ. And so can somebody tell me why people are not buying here? Man, I bought it literally here, somewhere here, and I was increasing my position sizing there because of the 15 minute divergence. This is what we call, you can literally see this. It came, it swept, it found an SMT divergence, it had a change in state of delivery, break of structure here. So when it retraced to this liquidity, which is a new week opening gap and an efficiency which is a fair value gap, that's an A setup trade, man. A setup trade that leads to buy side liquidity being swept, and that's it. Okay. And what is making me to be very bullish on this is this, man. I love the bond markets, man. The bond markets pretty precisely tell us what's happening, man, in the world. Look at that, man. Don't say this is a scam or something. This is 1 month ago. It swept last month's liquidity, which is June. These did not sweep this liquidity of June. This is SMT divergence, and a break of structure. You see, this is where real SMT divergence is. So when here, then when it broke this, obvious retracement to this inefficiency made us bullish as fuck, man. Bullish. This is where date 15, date 16 here. Now by Thursday, everybody should have known we are bullish, man. I love trading, man. This inefficiency with the blocker, just one sweep, man. 4-hour time frame FEG, 4-hour time frame FEG, yeah, and 4-hour break of structure, order block, man. This was it. This was the massive move that has led us to this trade, man. So when you all are looking at here, this liquidity to be swept, I was looking on it. Now this is what on the year, which is on the daily time frame. Then there are subsections to this thing, huh? Both liquidities of Q1 and Q2, yeah, are just here to be swept, man. Look at these trades, all this is supposed to be swept. So I'm fucking bullish. Market structure is bullish. So when it came to this inefficiency and hasn't swept any key liquidity, which is this two, this liquidity, but this is for a later day. Look at that, man. This is why we are looking at things from a different eye. Yeah, everything is bullish. This market is so bullish. 20 all-time highs, had a 50% retracement. All you want to see. This is all Q1, and then Q1 ended here, almost at all-time highs. And then did that. Look at that, man. So it has been playing on the 50% retracement level and playing at the 65 retracement level, man. This is why consolidations affect so many traders, man. Everybody's bullish. Then when this was swept, obvious we had done SMT divergence, and that led it to fall, and now I'm expecting this liquidity to be swept. I don't expect it to come down to this, because that will be asking too much of the market, man. Like, when was the last time it swept? This is what we call an SMT divergence between years 2024, 2025. Okay, Jan, SMT divergence. 2025, close the below. 2024, 2025, my friend. If you don't see this SMT divergence, yeah, of 2024, 2025 divergence, SMT divergence, man, what are you doing? Look at this.